I'm a lead software engineer in the engineering department. I've been here for 10 years and worked on JPRO commercial vehicle diagnostics pretty much the whole time. So I write code, I lead other developers to do things, I do user documentations, requirements, a whole 9 yards. So my first job out of college was actually defense contracting, which is very, very different. Contracting work and for the government is very different. The previous job was actually doing condition-based maintenance in manufacturing industry. So that actually wasn't too different, although the biggest difference is in trucks, the computers tell you what's wrong. In condition-based maintenance and manufacturing, you have to go out and collect data to try to figure out what's wrong. I always like it when they feed us. I ice cream in the food trucks. Closest would be probably Star Trek. I'm a huge Star Trek fan, so Into Darkness maybe, the Star Trek reboot was pretty cool.
Punch it.
Probably the best place I traveled was when I got my 5-year sabbatical. My family did a big driving trip out west, and so in 16 days we went to the Badlands and Yellowstone and the Grand Tetons and saw Mount Rushmore, and Yellowstone was probably my favorite. Second favorite would actually be Acadia National Park up in Maine. It's gorgeous up there too. I am currently binge watching Criminal Minds, which is a very bad idea because watching movies, a show about serial killers, does not lend itself well to good sleep.
Are you scared?
Well, I've been working on JPRO commercial vehicle diagnostics for 10 years as the main a lead developer. A lot of the features in that product I actually wrote. If I didn't write it, I was involved in reviewing the requirements and reviewing the code. So yeah, I've been very involved in the flagship product of the company.